I wanted to show you something very cool that this 4080 comes with. This right here actually ended up coming in the Gigabyte Aero RTX 4080. It comes with like a GPU bracket that mounts to your motherboard. What's gonna happen is you get these little things. So this would be for a different type of motherboard. I use the ones that fit my motherboard, and then you screw it down to it. And if you can't fit it in there because of this like USB, if you have like a USB-C on your front panel and you have one of these, that's what these like standoffs are for, so that you can screw them down and tighten your motherboard. And then you put this clamp right here and you tighten it. And then now what's gonna happen is I'm gonna use the rest of these little screws to tighten it on this. And then this side of the GPU is gonna be propped out. So anyways, 13900 4080, this is the new PC, boys. This thing is gonna be a boss. And actually these fans, I want to show you this as well. Back here, we're gonna do an overview of like everything anyway, but this is like hub. It has a bunch of RGB connectors, so for those of you that may get like a lower end motherboard that only has a couple of RGB connectors, I highly recommend these up here white fans. Forgot to say to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment.
I hate saying it just as much as you probably hate me saying it, but if I do not say it, like 1% of you will actually do it.
Like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff.